Hmm?
This is the learning objective about this chapter. The first is understanding the communication process. The digital revolution has drastically transformed how we live, conduct business, and communicate, particularly through social media platforms. Despite these changes, the core communication process remains the same, transmitting an idea from a sender to a receiver, with the key element being that the receiver understands the intended meaning. Successful communication, especially in a professional setting, relies on both the sender and receiver understanding this process to avoid miscommunication and ensure clarity. The next is using the 3x3 writing process as a guide. Today's digital technologies offer numerous channels for communication, but writing remains central to all forms of messaging, whether digital, oral, or print. Digital messages such as email, social media posts, and tweets are created, stored, processed, and transmitted electronically using binary code. Introducing the 3x3 writing process. First, pre-writing. Analyze the audience and propose, anticipate reaction, and plan your message. Second, drafting. Research and organize your information, then write the message. Third, revising. Edit for clarity, conciseness, tone, and readability. Proofread for errors and evaluate whether the message meets its objective. The third material is about analyzing and anticipating the audience. The first step is determining your purpose. When composing a workplace message, first determine your primary and secondary purpose. The primary purpose is usually to inform or persuade, while secondary goals often include promoting goodwill and enhancing your organization image. The second is anticipating and profiling the audience. For formal reports or presentation, invest more time in audience analysis. While informal communication require less, consider how your message will be perceived by different audiences, including through blogs or social media. The third is making choices based on the audience profile. It helps determine appropriate language, tone, and whether to include technical terms or background information. Understanding your audience likely reaction, whether positive, negative, or neutral, guides how you shape your message. And the last is selecting the best channels. Channels vary in richness with richer media, like face-to-face conversation, offering more interactivity and cues, while linear media like email provide less. For effective communication, especially for persuasive or personal message, choose the richest medium available.
Adapting writing to the audience. Effective writing requires carefully adapting the content to suit the audience needs and expectations. Writers should use positive, courteous language and avoid bias or overly complex wording to enhance clarity and engagement. Successful adaptation means understanding the audience perspective and crafting a message that resonates with them, ensuring the content is relevant, clear, and compelling. Expert writing techniques. First, highlighting the audience benefits. Focus on how the audience will benefit from the message. Second, developing the you view. Use second-person pronouns like you and your to engage the audience directly. The third, maintaining a conversational but professional tone. Strive for a tone that is friendly yet professional, reflecting the intended workplace culture. The fourth, using positive language. Frame message in a positive light, focusing on what can be done rather than what cannot. The fifth, expressing courtesy. Be mindful of tone, avoiding words that sound demanding. The sixth, employing bias-free language. Ensure that messages are free of bias by avoiding language that stereotypes or excludes certain groups. The seventh, preferring plain language and familiar words. Use simple, familiar words that the audience will easily recognize. Team writing. Team writing is essential for large or complex projects that require collaboration, diverse expertise or consensus among multiple stakeholders. Team-written documents are common in organizations because they benefit from multiple perspectives, fostering more comprehensive and well-rounded content. Teams also help socialize members, break down communication barriers, and create buy-in for the final product. The team writing process is typically divided into phases. Phase 1. The team collaborates to brainstorm ideas, define the purpose, audience, content, organization, and design. Phase 2. Team members work separately to conduct research, organize findings, and draft sections of the document. Phase 3. The team reconvenes to revise and synthesize the draft, provide suggestions for improvement, and finalize the document. Digital collaboration tools. There are email, instant messaging and texting, wikis, Google Docs and other, web and telephone conferencing. Conclusion. Effective professional communication involves a clear process, encoding, transmitting, decoding, and feedback. Despite digital advancements, the goal remains mutual understanding between sender and receiver. The 3x rewriting process, pre-writing, drafting, and revising, ensures clarity by focusing on audience needs and context. Adapting message to the audience using clear, positive, and bias-free language while maintaining a professional tone enhance engagement and comprehension. Team writing and digital collaboration tools such as wikis and shared documents enable diverse perspective and efficient communication, crucial for complex projects.